Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you will be fine there. Myself Devansh Kumar, in short form Dev sir. In short form Dev sir. Actually now we'll be starting a beautiful topic known as Grignard reagent. What's name? Grignard reagent. Now we'll discuss what is Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? Anyone? We start. Just like it is alkyl halide. It's react with the metals, magnesium metals, and form RMgX. Is known as Grignard reagent. Actually, Grignard reagent is not a 100% ionic compound or not a 100% covalent compound. It is more than 60% ionic compounds and 40% just like a covalent compounds. Breaking of Grignard reagent just like of RMgX, then further divide of the it will be R minus and mgx plus. Why? Because it is a organometallic compound, but it is a exception of inductive effect due to R minus formation is a exception of inductive effect. Exception of I effect, because I effect is always alkyl group is plus positive sign, but here it is alkyl group is a minus sign due to organometallic compound. It is a very lots of applications of Grignard reagent because formation of and any mechanism or conversion of the aldehyde group, ketone group and acid derivative groups. Now we further discuss about the reaction with the aldehydes. First of all, first number 1, formaldehydes is C double bond O H reacts with the Grignard reagent just like of CH3 MgX. MgX means MgBr, MgCl, MgI, but not MgF because fluoride is a more reactive halide. Therefore, only X is equal to Cl, Br and I. And breaking from a dissociation of Grignard reagent is CH3 minus and MgX plus group. Double bond is a weak nature of the bonds. Therefore, oxygen is negative, electronegative compound and carbon is due to inductive effect and the formation of positive charge. In reaction mechanism, catalyst is known as dry ether. Why is of dry ether? Why used of dry ether? Because dry ether is a application of the magnesium, addition of magnesium for use the dry ether. Just next again HCO minus and carbon positive. Therefore, CH3 attacking of the positive sign, negative attack of the positives, just like a loving of positives in known as nucleophiles. What are nucleophiles? The catalyst or the species of the attack of the positive sites in known as nucleophile means nucleus. Therefore, R minus is a just is applicable for the nucleophile. Therefore, its reaction is a nucleophilic reaction. Then further, formation of carbocations attacking of the R minus means CH3 minus and formation of the product HCO and MgBr positive signs, then attacking of these sites and carbon is a positive form, it will be reacts of the CH3 group and H plus. It is unstable compounds, then further hydrolysis of these compounds and formation of alcohol H2O, then divide of the H plus ions and OH minus ions. Then further oxygen more electronegative elements, then further O minus and MgBr plus ions. Attacking of the H plus of this position and formation of the HOH group and HCH3 group and further of H. Now OH minus is rest, then you will know magnesium, atomic number of magnesium is 12, then 2, 8, 2, it is a divalent compound, then further magnesium is plus 2 valency, then MgBr is only for only 1 valency, then further it is not suitable of the products, then it is apply or attachment of the OH minus ion and attacking of the this side, and the magnesium is always plus 2 of the valency of the soap. And this of the reaction is the formation of alcohol, means always formaldehydes reacts with the Grignard formation of the 1 degree of alcohol. Note, it's repeat again. First of all, formaldehydes reacts with our Grignard agent. Grignard agent means R minus MgX plus R minus, because it is organometallic compounds and exception of inductive effects. And further CH3 minus attacking of the carbocation positive signs, then formation of the this group, but it is unstable compounds, and the further of the hydrolysis of the H2O. H2O break into two parts, H plus and OH minus. H plus ions attacking of the O minus parts, then formation of the alcohol, and the further of the MgBr only for only 1 valency, then satisfied for the 2 valency, and then of the further attacking of the OH minus at the of the Mg plus of signs, then magnesium is so plus 2 valency. Clear? Now we discuss important notes be taken. First of all, important note, only formaldehyde forms 1 degree alcohol, only formaldehyde forms 1 degree alcohol, and other aldehydes and other aldehyde forms 2 degree alcohol. Other aldehydes forms 2 degree alcohol. It is clear? Yes or no, sir? Clear? Okay. Next part. Note down. Next further reaction of the acetaldehyde, enonage acetaldehyde, it react with the Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether, then formation of products R minus, because it is organometallic compounds, and MgBr plus ions, because magnesium is a metals. Then further it is a polar bonds O minus, and it is big bonds, just like a double bond is a big bond, break, easily break, but single bond not break, rotating infinite times, but double bond in not in rotating of the infinite times, it is easily break. Then further CH3 C O minus attacking of the MgBr plus ions, and this side is the carbocation formations and attacking of the C2H5s. It is unstable compounds and it is bulky compounds, and then further of the hydrolysis of H2O means H plus or OH minus ions, and formations of O breaking of the due to inductive due to minus I effect, then highly electronegative elements, and it is a magnesium is just magnesium is a metals and formation of positive signs, then formations of attacking of the this position and form of the alcohol is known as 2-degree alcohol. Now we repeat again. Only formaldehydes reacts with the Grignard reagent and formation of the 1-degree alcohol, but other aldehydes group reacts with the Grignard reagent always form of the 2-degree alcohols. Clear? Yes or no, sir? Now we again discuss about the ketones. Grignard reagent reacts with the ketones. Just like example, enonic acetones reacts with the Grignard reagent in presence of dry ethers. In presence of dry ether, then formation of the products Ca3 means R minus group, and this position is R plus group. Means of the magnesium is a metals, metal is always positives. It is a polar bonds, then break of the O minus and carbocations formations. Then reaction with the proceed Ca3 O minus attacking this position of MgBr and this position of the Ca3. Clear? It is a bulky group, and then further of the hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means water H plus or passing of the waters H plus or OH minus group. It is a highly electronegative elements. Then magnesium is metals is always positive and oxygen is negatives, because oxygen is electronegative elements. Then further O minus reacts with the H plus of ions and formation of the suitable compounds known as alcohol. This is your favorites. And MgBrs and only one valency, but rest of the compounds of OH minus group, but attacking of the this position and formation of MgBr OH group, because valency is satisfied, Mg is plus 2 and Br and OH minus group. Then formation of the alcohol is known as 3-degree alcohol. Is known as 3-degree alcohol. It will be clear. Okay. Repeat again. Once again. Just like a ketone reacts with the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means R minus MgX plus group. Then further dissociates R minus and MgX plus group, and O double bond is a big bonds and it is easily rotated and it is breaks, and O minus and C plus formation of carbocations. Carbocations reacts with the Ca3I minus because it is a nucleophilic reactions and form of the MgBr group. It is a bulky group and passing through the H2O H plus or OH minus group. H plus reacts of the this position because it is highly electronegative elements and formation of H bonding. H bonding formation then of the formation of the 3-degree alcohol, because 1 carbon, 2 carbon and 3 carbon joined of the this position known as 3-degree carbon, and the 3-degree carbon touching of the OH group is known as 3-degree of alcohol group. Then form of the MgBr OH. Okay, clear. Next, a note, important note we discuss about important notes. Ketone is always form 3-degree alcohol. Just like example question, a 3-degree alcohol obtained when Ca3 Mgi reacts with option A CA3 C double bond O H. Option B CC CA3 C double bond O CA3 H. Third option C Ca double bond O CA3 CA3, and last option of the your favorite, none of these. Firstly, it is fastly solved, and this is correct answers. Just like a counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Clear? It is very easy questions because 3D alcohol is always formed. 3D alcohol is always formed of the, this is known as ketones. Just like a check of the option in on aldehyde group, in known as aldehyde group, in known as ketone groups, option of the C is correct. Yes or no, sir? Be clear? Now we discuss and further next point in the next class. Just like acid and acid derivatives, just like of C double bond OH acid group and acid halide group or epoxy ring or other groups. It will be reacts of the Grignard reagent, then formation of the 3D alcohol. Okay, now we will discuss about the next class.